You're welcome. So we're going to be looking at how you can connect your web hosting on Speedy Connect to your domain on Namecheap. Alright, so if peradventure you got your domain from Namecheap and you want to connect it to your hosting in Speedy Connect, this is what we are going to be doing now. Alright, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video to as many as possible people that you know may need the video. Alright, first of all, you go to your Speedy Connect account, you log into your account dashboard. Alright, so then you come to your services and go to your web hosting. Alright, then you locate the hosting. Alright, so this is the domain hosting we want to link to our domain in our Namecheap. So you click on manage. Alright, then from there you go to details. Alright, so that you can get the detailed information about this hosting. Right, what we need here is our DNS link. Alright, that is what we are going to be using, domain name service or domain name server as well information. That is what we are going to be using to connect both together. Alright, so you come down here and you locate the domain name server. These are the name servers. Here we have NS1, the first and the second. Alright, so we are using both. Okay, after getting this information, then you go to your Namecheap dashboard. Okay, so here we are in our Namecheap dashboard. Okay, so you click on domain list, then you scroll down. Okay, domain list, then you scroll down and click on the domain. This is the domain. You click on manage. This is the domain name. All right, you click on manage, then go to name server. All right, under name server you come to this drop down box here. You click on it. So it's likely to be on Namecheap basic DNS. All right, so you go and move it to custom DNS. So you click on custom DNS and then you click on add name server. All right, so this is the first DNS, that's DNS1. Okay, sorry, this is it, DNS1. You copy it. All right, copy and go to your domain and paste it here. Can you see it? The next one to the same thing, you copy it and paste it here. And when you are done, then you you tick this icon here. All right, to save, this button here, you tick it so that you can save the DNS information, and boom, that is all. Okay, so you can now go to your hosting and set up possibly your WordPress if that's what you want to use as your CMS. All right, and that's all. Thank you.